Okay, so here's a quick video on how to replace your battery for your Honda Keyfob remote. First, you'll need to turn it over and you'll see a little tiny screw right there. You'll get a little tiny Phillips head screwdriver and take that screw out. Okay, once you have the screw loose, you will see a little notch right there on the side of the key fob, and you can either use a screwdriver or your fingers, and you should be able to pull that apart just like that. Okay, so once you take the back off, you will see like a little box. This whole thing comes out, and the battery is inside this box, and on each side you will see like a little clip. You just put your finger under that clip, and then you will see the battery underneath there. Now this is for a 2003 Honda Accord, and on the back, I don't know if you can see it, but right there it tells you the battery, which is a 3-volt CR1616, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this battery. So all you do is take this one out, just like so. Put the new one in, plus side down. So as you can see on the battery, the plus side. And put it down, but you can see a plus symbol on here to remind you. Just put the new battery in, and then you will snap it all together. Like so. And then you just put it back together. Make sure all your buttons are visible. And as you can see, it lights up. Battery's good. And then put it back together. And don't forget to tighten the screw down, and you are done. So there you go. Thanks. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up.